Welcome to another PCS Legal video. Today we're going to talk about mortgage offers. We, the lawyers, receive a mortgage offer direct from the mortgage lender. This is our instruction to act on behalf of the bank as well as yourself, the buyer. The mortgage offer will detail the amount of money that you are borrowing from the bank, over what period, the interest rate, when the offer will expire, and of course your monthly repayments. Within the offer, there are crucially a number of special conditions. These are very important as they may be things that you, the borrower, or us as the lawyer, need to adhere to on or before you complete. You must ensure that you're happy with the same, as any issues may delay completion or, in a worst case scenario, prevent completion taking place at all. Typically, mortgage conditions include matters such as keeping the property in good repair, letting the lender know if you ever wish the property to be let, or if you ever wish somebody else to live with you, keeping the property insured, and letting the lender know if you're ever facing bankruptcy or unable to pay all debts relating to the property. Have you ever heard the term, if you don't keep up your payments, your home's at risk? This applies as the mortgage will be secured on the title to the property that you're buying. If you breach any of the mortgage conditions, to include not paying your monthly repayments, then the bank can take possession proceedings. You'll be required to sign a mortgage deed contained within the offer, which will enable the land registry to record the lending on the charges register.
Mortgage repayments come in two basic forms. The first form is an ordinary repayment mortgage. This is where you pay every month a percentage of capital and interest over the term of the loan. The capital is the amount of loan you initially borrow, and the interest is the sum the lender will charge you for borrowing money so that the lender can make a profit. The final payment means your mortgage will be discharged when the loan comes to an end and you will own the property outright. The second form is an interest-only mortgage. This is where you pay every month only the cost of borrowing the money, which is known as the interest, but you never pay the capital back. This makes the monthly repayment cheaper as no capital is being paid. At the end of the term, you must pay back all the capital at the moment the mortgage term ends. Normally, you will have a repayment vehicle, such as an endowment or savings plan. It is your responsibility to make provision for the capital repayment of the loan, as PCS Legal are not regulated to provide advice on financial services, and it is beyond our area of expertise. You should seek the help of an independent financial advisor, as our retainer does not cover this advice. If you fail to make provision for a satisfactory repayment vehicle, your home will be at risk of being repossessed. The lender may, during the course of your loan, send you letters asking you to prove you have a repayment vehicle in place, and can vary your loan or call it in. For example, that would mean ask for all the capital to be paid back early, and this would only be applied to yourself if you do not have suitable repayment vehicle in place.
There are some other key points to note regarding your mortgage. If you're borrowing this money with another person, you are of course liable for your share and theirs. This is what jointly and severally means. The mortgage offer only becomes binding when us, the lawyers, use the money to purchase your property. Up until then, the lender can withdraw the mortgage offer from you at any point. They can do this without giving you a reason. They can also withdraw the offer after you've exchanged contracts and are legally bound with your seller. If you have any questions about your mortgage offer, mortgages in general, please let us know. It's essential you're happy with the mortgage offer before we proceed to exchange contracts and you are legally bound to purchase. You can reach any of our case handlers by phone or email in our offices across Basildon, Ongar, Whitford or London. Thank you for watching.